Ukonrad kongkal sangma, menteri rangba kejela, menta kesngi ulah hiar shanongstoin ban yakindu dalade, yakinong rep, bat ban singap yakijing baki yakindu. Yakini kejing yakindu, lapan long ha Bishop Hall, New Nongstoin. Hakini kesngi, laidon rengkat ru uba Macmillan Bersad, MLA, ki officer soka jong kitna trekam baper, bat ki nong rep ki blasha khot saubha, ban wan yakindu, bat menteri rangba, ban penpaw yakijing kabaki yakindo hakani ke singi u menteri rangba u lapan syai ba ke sarkar ke lapan kre ban ai ke jingi ram kumbasan hajar tengka ya pakawai ka long yeng jong kinong rep bat ya ke te ka pisa kinong rep kin hab ban lech sei da ka check ka ba ka sarkar kan sa ai hakani ke singi la yo ru ye ke jingi phliu jingmut bat kinong rep ha ka bai dei bat ke jing bom biang jong ka dor ka mur jong ki mar rep
No. Kapaan ni, kalau kita kayak hari kita orang, ham tam ini pada tu ini, kumpul sekarang. Kita orang tu ni tidak bisa kita orang. Mereka zaman mereka rumah bukan supply sebarang, pun sing kita kilo bertak pelan. Kita supply kita boleh supply tentang apa? Nota habis itu baru ini kat yang bekas gitu. Di pada pun bagi trace tu ini sistem penting lagi. Kepada lain, kalau hati ini kita kepada usaha ini batai, pada bukan lain dikait pada musim yang bertidur. Dari apa ini dilakukan negara ini dilakukan ekspor kepada ini. Kemarin musim kita ini dilakukan ekspor di Malaysia dan Pakistan. Di mana way, kapolong yang hendak ini berkenopi, baruan juru berkenop. Kalau kejadian baru kejadian nanti ini orang tambah dan bagi ini tak terbaik kita. Siapa itu mereka bila ada kerja ini, ia kebakan terhadap apa? Ini ada ekspor lagi, mereka ini sekian Islam, bagi tiga kali, orang akan terbang, paling dia ekspor berapa pada. Di kerpan tinggi jemput, lalu DM, pada ruang yang ketemu sekian Islam, hari mereka ini produk. Nah, sementara kapan? Biar saya bagi agar komponi yo sebuah pada Facebook.
Number one is because during COVID time, the society as a whole has suffered. And obviously, the people, the general public who are dependent on their day-to-day activity for their livelihood have suffered the most. So as a government, we felt that we need to do something for this section of society. And 75% of them are producers and, more importantly, farmers. We have calculated that approximately 4.5 lakh families are there who are, in one way or the other, linked to the agriculture sector and the allied sectors. And hence, we decided that we must give some financial support, a welfare scheme for the farmers. But at the same time, we felt that if we give the money directly to individual farmers, we may not be able to achieve productive growth in the particular activity that they do. And therefore, we decided that we will give 5,000 rupees per farmer family, but it will be in the form of groups. Money will be put in the account of the groups. So therefore, if there are 10 members in your group, 10 multiplied by 5,000 is 50,000 rupees in that group. If you are 20 members, you will get 1 lakh. And the idea really is very simple. We as a government and agriculture department has realized that the farmers sometimes don't even have enough money to buy seeds, to hire a vehicle to take their product to the market, to buy plastic pipes, to water their plants, to buy tarpaulin to cover their produce, or even put a small shed to protect and store their product. especially, and I think in the Northeast also. No other government has done this, at least in the Northeast. And therefore, this is a pioneering scheme, and we intend to take this forward in the long run also. Kane kade ka program Baning Kong do kaba ai jingyara ya kinomre Jongka Jila da kaba ai San Hazar Manwe Unomre. So I hope that has given some idea of what we are doing. I would like to, I'd love to speak more, but I'll learn slowly. But apart from this, to the farmers, there are a number of projects, of course, that are going on in West Khasi Hills district. And I have always told the public of the state as a whole that West Khasi Hills is one of the more backward districts. When I say that, I don't intend to do it with a demeaning tone, but I'm saying it with a concerned tone, that a lot more work needs to be done in West Khasi Hills. I just came from Nongklung just now, and I've seen the beauty of that place. And I'm happy to announce to all of you that we have decided to invest 13 crores of project in Nongklung to develop the tourist destination, and the idea is to develop it and allow the people to run it. So we don't want to run the place. We want to develop it, have cottages, have restaurants, and hand it over to the people to run. So 13 crores will be spent in the next 1 year. We already have the money through through New Development Bank. It's one of the larger international banks, the banks that is jointly run by the BRIC nations, which is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So this bank has funded 700 crores for tourism development in Meghalaya, and out of this money, only for Nongklung project, we'll be sanctioning 13 crores for that project, and already the DPR is being made. Scheme had come to a standstill even in Nongstoin. We have ensured that that also will be complete. I am hopeful that we should be able to complete it very, very soon. If it's not completed yet, I think another few months. Yeah, another few months we should be able to. And we have given sufficient fund from the state budget to ensure that the Nongstoin water supply scheme is completed. At the same time, we've also recently just sanctioned for Sipsing Memorial School. It's a higher secondary school out here, which is one of the oldest higher secondary schools in the entire state. So I'm happy to announce that we have also sanctioned close to 6 crores for a new building for the higher secondary school also. That work also, we are hopeful, in the next 1 or 2 months, the work should be done and we should be able to start the work. Apart from that, there are many other, of course, programs and development schemes that are going on. We are also working on a major scheme for the internal roads of Nongstoin town. 12 crores has been earmarked under the World Bank project for this. DPR preparation is in progress. I hope that very, very soon the internal Nongstoin town roads also project should kick off and work should start very, very soon for that project also. At the same time, I'm also happy to inform you that under the World Bank, we have already finished the DPR and submitted the project for Nongstoin Mauet Road, 35 kilometers in the first phase. The DPR has been submitted. World Bank officials and headquarters should be giving us a green signal by the end of this month. I hope by December to max January, we should be able to tender out this project, and by February mid, the work for for Nongstoin Mauet Road also should start around February. So major projects like these are in a very, very advanced stage, and I'm very, very happy that these are happening. And apart from that, there are many other development works, whether you call it Jal Jeevan Mission projects going on throughout the district, PMGSY roads that are going on throughout the district, even simple projects like the MGNREGA, the job cards that we get, has seen an exponential growth in the amount of money that has come in from a mere 600 crores today at almost 1600 crores we are spending every year to fund the NGRGS schemes. And we have already started preparing for it. We wanted to plant a lot of trees last year, but we realized that we don't have the saplings. So we have begun early this year and this time, and we have prepared 1 crore saplings, and we will be planting this throughout the state. I would want that at least 30% of this should be planted in West and Southwest Khasi Hills area, which is seeing a lot of degradation in the forest cover. And I would want, as I said, the administration, the departments, the MLAs, MDCs and the society to work together to achieve that particular goal. So we have seen that thousands of crores are gone when we pay teachers, when we pay contractors, when we pay government employees. But direct funding to farmers has never been done. And that is why out of the 14 to 15,000 crores that the Meghalaya government spends every year, we felt that 200 crores to the farmers, 4.5 lakh families is nothing. It is a small amount compared to the large expenditure of 15,000 crores we have every year. And the number of families that we can touch is huge. And that's the reason why we have decided to go ahead with this program. We are hopeful that we'll be able to see good response from the public. And as we see the response, we will work and decide on how to improve this scheme in the coming years.